Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield Power from Beyond bug. Okay, first things first, to address the Power from Beyond bug, you can alter quest. To address the issue in Power from Beyond quest in Starfield, just follow these steps. Open the in-game menu and access the star map. Set a course to the location called Alter. When you reach this location, the quest marker for Power from Beyond should now appear as expected. Another method you can try is plotting a course, which is the approach you can consider is starting a new game plus to unlock the missing ability. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield Power from Beyond bug. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.